In this video, I'm going to show you how to export in Planner 5D. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your space and then go to your floor plans or whatever you want to export and just click on the project you want to export. Now, when you do that, you have to wait for a few seconds for your project to load, and then when it does, up top you have this share button where you have three options to actually export. Now, the two most common ones are going to be to export as DWG or DXF, so we can click on either this one to actually start the export, and then it's going to automatically download it to your computer just like this, or it could be a DXF. If you click on that, it's as well going to export it onto your computer just like this. Okay, so as you can see, and you can now click on these and they're gonna contain your project files in here. Now you can also go and export as a PDF, so if you hover over here, click on print, and then here you can save as a PDF, and don't select your printer as the destination. You can click on save, and then you can save this as a PDF as well. So for example, like this, and there we go, we have a PDF. So that's how to export in Planner 5D. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.